Hello, and welcome to Morpholio Trace. We know that stencils are one of your favorite features, and over the years you've told us exactly how you want to make them better. The latest stencil updates are built around those requests, making it faster to organize, scale, and share your stencils without interrupting your drawing. One of the biggest requests was to see the scale of your stencils. Now, you can tap the scale button to view the dimension of your stencils. This live updates as you zoom in and out or resize your stencil. For some of the stencils, you can even tap this 1-to-1 button and the stencil will automatically resize to the perfect scale. Getting the outline of a stencil just got super easy. Simply hit this outline button to instantly switch any stencil to its outline version. You can then adjust the thickness of the outline with this slider. You can now customize your library setup however you want. Rearrange stencil categories by dragging and dropping them. Create new folders to better organize your custom stencils. Either copy and paste or drag and drop them from one folder to the other. You can even delete categories or individual stencils that you don't want. Want to share a group of stencils with your team? Hit select, tap on the stencils you want to share, and then hit export. This will save a stencil file that you can share with anyone. All they have to do is hit the plus button, tap import stencil set, locate the file, and then those stencils will be added to their library. You can check out all of these new features in the latest version of Trace. And be sure to tag Morpholio when you share what you make with stencils so we can feature it in our next top sketches list. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you're the first to hear about any new tutorials we drop. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.